Fast-growing vegetables you can harvest in 30 days, quick and easy gardening guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some amazing fast-growing vegetables that you can harvest in just 30 days or even less. If you are impatient like me and love quick results in gardening, this video is perfect for you. Growing fast vegetables is great for beginners because you see results quickly, which keeps you motivated. These plants are also perfect for small spaces, balconies, and kitchen gardens. Let's get started. First on the list is radish. Radish is one of the fastest growing vegetables. You can harvest it within 25 to 30 days after sowing seeds. It grows best in loose, well-draining soil. Simply sow the seeds directly into the soil, keep it moist, and place it in a sunny spot. Within a few weeks, you'll see beautiful radishes ready to harvest. Next is spinach. Spinach grows very quickly and can be harvested in about 25 to 30 days. You can start harvesting outer leaves early while the plant continues to grow. Spinach prefers cool weather and regular watering. It can grow well in pots or garden beds. Another excellent choice is lettuce. Lettuce grows fast and is perfect for containers. You can start harvesting baby leaves within 3 to 4 weeks. It does not require deep soil and grows well in partial sun. Regular watering keeps the leaves tender and fresh. Now let's talk about coriander, also known as cilantro. Coriander is very easy to grow from seeds and can be harvested in about 3 to 4 weeks for fresh leaves. Lightly crush the seeds before sowing to improve germination. Keep the soil moist and place the pot in a bright area. Green onions are also very fast-growing. You can grow them from seeds or even from leftover onion roots. Simply place the white root ends in soil or water, and they will regrow quickly. Within a few weeks, you will have fresh green onions ready to cut. Fenugreek leaves are another great option. Fenugreek grows extremely fast and is ready for harvest in about 20 to 25 days. Just scatter the seeds on the soil surface, cover lightly, and water gently. It grows well even in small trays. Now here are some important tips for fast-growing vegetables. First, use good quality seeds. Healthy seeds germinate faster and grow stronger. Second, provide enough sunlight. Most fast-growing vegetables need at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. Third, keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Uneven watering can slow down growth. Fourth, use light and fertile soil enriched with compost for better results. And finally, harvest on time. If you delay harvesting, some vegetables may become tough or lose their flavor. Growing vegetables that are ready in 30 days is a great way to enjoy fresh, homegrown food quickly. It saves money, improves your gardening skills, and gives you confidence as a beginner. If you enjoyed this quick vegetable gardening guide, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next gardening video.